Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've made a purchase and later realized it wasn't quite what you were expecting? Perhaps you've bought an item online only to find it doesn't fit or a service that doesn't meet your needs. And what about financial services like Qonto? Can you get a refund if you're not satisfied? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Qonto's refund policy. Qonto, a popular business banking platform, offers a range of services tailored to the needs of entrepreneurs and small businesses. But what happens if you decide Qonto isn't the right fit for you? Can you get your money back? While Qonto doesn't explicitly state a refund policy on its website, it's generally understood that refunds are not offered for their services. This is because Qonto provides a digital platform and access to financial tools, rather than a physical product that can be returned. Reasons why refunds might be limited. There are a few reasons why Qonto might not offer refunds. Digital service. As a digital service, Qonto provides access to features and tools that are consumed immediately. Once you've started using the platform, it becomes difficult to return the service. Subscription model. Many financial services, including Qonto, operate on a subscription model. This means you pay a recurring fee for access to their services. If you cancel your subscription, you might not be eligible for a refund of the remaining fees. Terms of service. Qonto's terms of service likely outline the conditions under which you can use their platform. It's important to review these terms to understand any specific refund policies or limitations. Exceptions to the rule. While refunds might be limited in general, there could be exceptions under certain circumstances. For example, technical issues. If you encounter significant technical problems that prevent you from using Qonto's services, you might be able to request a refund or credit. Misrepresentation. If Qonto misrepresents its services or makes false claims, you might have grounds for a refund or compensation. Regulatory issues. In some cases, regulatory bodies may intervene if a financial institution engages in unfair or deceptive practices. Alternatives to a refund. If you're unhappy with Qonto but don't qualify for a refund, there are other options to consider. Cancel your subscription. You can usually cancel your Qonto subscription by contacting their customer support. However, you might not receive a refund for any remaining fees. Switch to another provider. If Qonto isn't meeting your needs, you can research other business banking options and explore alternatives. Contact Qonto support. If you have concerns or issues, reaching out to Qonto's customer support team can help resolve the problem or find a suitable solution. While it's generally difficult to obtain a refund for Qonto's services, there might be exceptions under certain circumstances. It's important to review Qonto's terms of service and understand the limitations of their refund policy. If you're unhappy with their services, exploring alternative options or contacting their customer support can help you find a solution that works for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.